scaffold tubes. The steel tubes used in scaffolding should be manufactured by the process known as the continuous weld process. Round pipes with an outside diameter of at least 48.3 millimeters and a wall thickness of at least 3.2 millimeters. Galvanized. The maximum tube weight and length to be handled by one person should not be more than 25 kilograms and 6 meters. Tubes that are more than 6 meters long and 25 kilograms should be handled by at least 2 persons. Scaffolding tubes can have one of 4 names which refer to how they are used in the structure. The 4 names given to tubing are standard tubes or standards, ledgers, transoms, and brace tubing or bracing. Next, we will look at each type of tube in turn. The vertical tubes that support the scaffold's weight are called standards, but sometimes also referred to as uprights. The role of standards is to transfer the weight of the scaffolding to the ground. Standard tubes rest on square base plates that help support, stabilize, and spread the load of the scaffolding. Base plates must be proved horizontal with a spirit level. Base plates in turn should rest on timber sole plates. These prevent the base plates from sinking into soft ground and to help spread and stabilize the load further. The inner standard should be no more than 225 millimeters away from the building or structure being worked on. If this is not possible, any distance greater than 225 millimeters must be carefully risk assessed and an internal toe board installed to prevent the fall of a person or object. Ledger tubes or ledgers. Ledgers are the horizontal tubes which keep the standards equally spaced and make the structure more rigid to increase strength. Ledgers are supported by standards. Consequently, ledgers will nearly always run parallel to the building or structure being accessed. Right angle couplers are used to connect ledgers to standards. If ledgers are joined together, sleeve couplers must be used, and all joints should be staggered so that they do not occur in the same bay. Transom tubes or transoms. The role of transoms is to support the working platform, and in levels without working platforms, transoms add stability by keeping inner and outer standards equidistant. Transoms usually point towards the building or structure being accessed. The 2 types of transoms are main transoms and intermediate transoms. Main transoms are placed between inner and outer standards. Intermediate transoms are placed between the main transoms. They increase the maximum safe working load of the working platform. For example, during masonry work, extra transoms help prevent boards from breaking under the weight of stones. Transoms are fixed to ledger or standard tubes using either right angle or put log couplers.